To enable chat shortcut on Messenger. First, you want to simply open the Messenger application, and inside the Messenger app, you want to simply tap on this menu option over here. After that, you want to go to your settings. Inside your settings, you want to simply scroll down and you want to navigate yourself to the chat heads option over here, and you need to make sure that this chat heads option is turned on. After that, it will ask for your display over other application permission. You want to allow that permission of the application that basically you need to approve of every permission that the app asks. After that, you can simply come back from the app and you'll be able to see all of your chat heads like this in your home screen or on the any screen of the application. This is actually the shortcut that you can use to reply to your messages or have conversations. This is actually a shortcut to have conversations very quickly. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.